What's up, guys? It's your boy Scoop. You are live with Heavycampfxgroup. Alright, guys, so on this video we're going to be doing a quick analysis for Usdchf. We're currently on the 2-hour time frame. Alright, guys, so we're basically looking for analysis or setups for the third week of August. Today is currently Sunday, the markets are closed, so we're looking for opportunities for Monday when the markets open, right, guys, or rather later on today. Alright, guys, so the date is the 15th today, so we're looking for opportunities from the 16th moving forward. Alright, guys, so we're going to jump straight into the charts. So we can see, guys, the last time we were actually looking at this chart, I did send an analysis of this. Okay, so the last time we were looking at this chart, we can see that price actually pushed up. This was a very impulsive uptrend, right, guys? So you can see from here price impulsed up and then just consolidated for some time before breaking this key level, pushing higher, only to reach this resistance level, creating a key level at 0.92, right, guys? And then we can see when price got there, guys, it gave us a triple top pattern. And then as you know, guys, I've said this on the PDF, right, guys? Patterns it's important to know your patterns, because patterns actually are an early indication of what the market might do. All right, guys, so now that we have a triple top, it doesn't necessarily mean that the direction of the market is going to change, right, guys? This was an uptrend. It doesn't mean that the market is going to go down, but it's a early indication of what might happen, right, guys? As we can see, after the triple top, the market actually pushed impulsively to the downside, coming back to our resistance level of 0.91. okay, and then once price got here, we can see that price broke below and then even closing below, guys. So we have two 2-hour candles that actually closed below our this was support. Remember when price was moving up, this was now support, right, guys? So as it came below and broke this resistance, this level, it then timed it back into resistance, right, guys? So now remember, we are anticipating continuation. So we're anticipating that price will continue moving down to give us a new low, right, guys? Breaking these lows to create a new low. So with that in mind, guys, we're simply just going to wait for price to either pull back or try retest into this key level. And then once we notice that the key level is holding and momentum shift to the downside steps in, we then want to scale down to maybe our 1 hour 30-minute time frame to look for better entry opportunities. So basically what we're looking for in this pair, guys, is we're looking for sales. But if it happens that price breaks above, comes back above, retest, and then goes up, we definitely will go into those sales, right, guys? Because remember, price impulsed up, and yes, we did get a triple top, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the market is going to go down, right, guys? It's just one of the confluences that we are currently looking at for our sales, right, guys? So for now, this is what we're looking at: retest and possibly a continuation of this impulse. All right, guys. Yeah, so I will send charts updates if you are in the private group, and then I'll definitely be sending signals. We will be looking at this pair around London Open Monday, Tuesday, and maybe even possibly around New York Open, as Usdchf tends to, not every day, but then it does sometimes move during London Open or New York Open, right, guys? So as technical traders, we just simply want to wait for our candlesticks, our patterns, and then whenever we spot our patterns and we have enough confluence, then we're just going to take the trades, the setups that we are seeing, right, guys? But then for now, my bias is sales, simply based on these two confluences, right, guys? Triple top, and then we had an impulse coming to the downside, and then our major key level was broken. Price broke to the downside. All right, guys. Yeah, so that's it for this analysis. Stay tuned, we will be dropping more videos. It's your boy Scoop, Heavy Camp. We out.